Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Sonic.exe versus Knuckles.exe versus Tails.exe. Those three are going to be fighting. It's going to be kind of a complicated one. I would say this is an intermediate drawing lesson, okay? If you're a beginner, you can absolutely try to do this with me, but I would say intermediate. Stick around though, it's still going to be relatively short, and I'm going to color it at the very, very end, so stick around for that. So stay all the way through the whole video. Let's get started, okay? Before that though, if you love drawing Sonic, hit that subscribe and hit that like, because that like will let me know what you're thinking as far as like, oh, I love Sonic, you know, stuff like that. Let's do it. Circle here for the eyes, looking forward. You know what, honestly, I'm gonna change his expression to a grit. Okay, so like a circle, and I'm gonna draw a maybe like sharp teeth in there. Just need a different expression. Curve for the top, curve for the top of here, for the top of the head. I'm gonna fill in the sclera, which is the whites of the eyes, with dark. This is a lot easier if you have, I guess, pencil, I think you just kind of use the side of the pencil to put it in there. Over here, curve, top of the head there for the spike. Before that though, triangle for the far side ear, and over here on this side, triangle for this side, and triangle on the inside of that one. Down. I'm gonna actually curve this right here for the chest, and I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a line out here for the arm. Draw that little cuff of the glove that he has, and I'm gonna go over here and draw a circle for the thumb, and then I'm gonna have the fingers right here for that fist. I'm going to continue the spike by going from here inward, and then maybe one more over here, and there's one coming out of his back I noticed. I'm going to curve a line here for the back area. I'm going to go over here, draw a line down, back for the leg, down, back for the leg. Bottom of the shoe, and then draw a line for a cross there, for a big line across the top of the shoe. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve a line upward for his stomach, color change there. Alright, we'll draw the far side hand later. I don't know if I need the far side hand, to be honest. I think it will be like over there. But let's go over here and draw Shadow.exe. So over here I'm going to draw the nose. I like to start with the nose. same kind of cork shape, circle at the end of it for the highlight, and then fill in the rest. Go over here, curve, up, right on, curve around back, and then you have the bottom of the mouth here. I'm gonna draw like kind of an angry line. It's really just like a folded, it's like a slightly curved line down. Gonna go on this side, pull up, and I'm gonna curve downward here, a little bit of more angular, like up, over here. Same thing, real thin eye on this side. Brow, brow, and honestly, he has like a little bit of a line here as well, like a color line, like almost like he has eyeshadow on. It's very, very, very thin. I drew it too thin, honestly, but triangle here for an ear, another triangle, a little bit more angular than his. Back for the spike, down. Far side ear. Going in, I'm gonna draw a circle here for the eye, circle here for the eye, and I'm gonna fill in the sclera. Fill in the sclera dark. Right on. Gonna go back here and draw the other spike, and this is gonna go back up. That's a huge difference. Down, back up. So huge difference between Sonic and Tails. Sonic and Shadow. Curve line here for his arm, and his arm's a bendy straw basically. Line over here for the cuff of the hand a little bit, and then we're gonna go into his thumb. His pointer finger just looks like a claw, right? If you know this from the other lessons. Curve, curve, draw that whole hand. Zigzag. He's got this like chest hair in the front. Line up, out, out, down, down for that leg. Line up over here. Far side arm. Circle there for the thumb, and then he's gonna have like a fist there that's gonna be kind of behind it. I mean, it's gonna be touching it, but it's gonna be a little bit behind it. Right here, angle for the shoe. The shoe's a little bit different. It looks more like a box, in my opinion. Line over here, like a square at the front, and then there's gonna be a line back that's gonna go off the page of him kind of running in there. His foot will be off the page there. And now over here on this side, now we're gonna go over here where Tails is gonna be in the back. I'm gonna draw a curved line here for the bottom of his face. Kind of a triangle nose in a way, and I'm going to fill in most of it except for that dot like usual. Curve right here for the top of his mouth. Line over here, not very amused. Out, zigzag, what you can see of it, it'll be the side of his cheek there. Pulling up over here, zigzag over here. Over here on this side, his eyes are separated. Still that gravestone shape, and we're gonna give him a little anger kind of thing going on. He's gonna be a little angry, and then curve, curve. It kind of looks angry. It doesn't really look that angry, to be honest. And I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna find his hair. It's like a bunch of L shapes, it's like three L. Like it's just like these three little hairs coming off, and we're gonna pull up around the corner here. Pull up here. Side, triangle for the fox ear, and then the ear on the back end. Okay, I'm gonna draw the line down here for his hand, down here for his hand, down here for his hand. I have his hands over here, but you're not really be able to see them. What I want to do is I want to fill in the sclera here as well, because he is the Tails.exe. so. See his, like, I don't know, leg over here, and then his leg come out over here because he flies, and then you're gonna have his shoe over here, his sock, downward, up, curve, and then upward over here for his shoe that's kind of sticking out there, and like some treads in the bottom of the shoe. Alright, his is much different. And I'm gonna have to have him flying, so we're literally gonna draw a dish in the back there, and then over here we're gonna draw a zigzag pattern over here, and then zigzag pattern on this side. And I'm gonna draw it 2 lines over here, 2 lines over there. That's pretty much what it looks like when he's flying, right? I'm gonna draw like a lower part of his body here. You're barely gonna see him in the back there, but he is there. That's pretty much it. That was really hard to draw, by the way. Give me a like and or a share if you can. That would really, really help. That was really hard. I am gonna color this, guys, now. So let's get started over here, and I'm gonna go through this, and it's gonna be a speed coloring. So pretty much it. Oh, one last thing. I forgot on the Shadow has this line right here on the top of his head, and the top of this spike, and the top of this spike as well, just to kind of get that, because that comes out even in non-coloration form. So let's jump in. I'm going to color these guys. All right, let's do it. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff, about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.